It is Wednesday afternoon, and you're with Dave and Alex. We've got a lot to cover this hour, plus some of the most amazing lightning video we have ever seen, and we think you are going to be impressed. It's all this hour on Weather Center Live. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Alex Wilson. He's Dave Schwartz.
And there is no overwhelming severe outbreak today, but there are scattered severe storms all over the place. A little here, a little there. So we want to cover that.
What do you say we go for a little crisscross? Western Florida remains soaked after record rain earlier this month, while South Florida, they're in drought. Florida really is a state divided, as our own Chris Warren explains. Thanks, Chris. Well, the Perseids are more than a flying light show in the sky. They've got a very intriguing history. We got to talk about the heat. Parts of Texas have been exceptionally hot, including Houston. Yesterday's high 106. It broke a daily record from 2011, and it was the hottest temperature in the city of Houston since June 29th, 2013, over 2 years ago. Heat advisories remain for parts of Texas, including Austin, San Antonio, and Houston, as well as the Gulf Coast of Louisiana. So it's hot and it's humid. When we look at dew points, that measure of moisture in the air, into the low 70s for Houston and New Orleans, 73 in San Antonio. Once you get into the 70s, that's when you're talking about that oppressive, really sticky tropical humidity that makes it so uncomfortable. It also makes the air temperature feel like it's hotter. Feels like 107 in Houston, feels like 108 in Corpus Christi, feels like a 99 in New Orleans and in Dallas. And tomorrow feels like temperatures will stay around 107, 108 for San Antonio, Houston, and Corpus Christi. Drop a little bit, but not much on Friday, still sweltering into the weekend.
I guess maybe the drone got too close to a nest or something.
Maybe.
Huh?
You never know.
It's 1:30. You're with Dave and Alex and a bird. Thanks for being here.
Coming up, we are talking about shooting stars and everything you need to know about the Perseid meteor shower. Meteor shower.
Meat eater shower.
Exactly.
A meat eater shower. Yeah. We begin in Florida, though.
Absolutely. Take a look where the extreme drought is, and it includes the city of Miami, much of South Florida under severe drought. We've got moderate drought there as well as up towards the Panhandle and Big Bend of Florida, the Tallahassee area under that drought. 3 to 6 inches to end the drought there, but in South Florida, it is going to take a foot to up to 15 inches to end the drought there. So we need a lot of rain. Here's the 5-day forecast. Some parts of South Florida could see 2 to 3 inches, but for most of the state, we're looking at about 1 to 2 inches of rain through that 5-day forecast. Dave. Well, stargazers, grab those telescopes. The Perseids meteor shower reaches its peak tonight. Well, let's check on the tropics, too. You know, we've got some active weather now in both ocean basins. Absolutely. We want to send it out to senior hurricane specialist Brian Norcross. He is live in the lab.